This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Angel Phillips. This home offers an award-winning design with an efficient use of space with a 4-bed/3 full baths layout. Maintenance-free home in highly desirable resort-style community of beautiful Waterset. This floor plan has unparalleled connectivity from the kitchen to the great room, casual dining area and ample bedroom sizes. Thoughtful design creates an abundance of windows doors along the rear of the home and maximizes the amount of usable storage space throughout the home. This home contains many gorgeous upgrades including Tahoe maple espresso cabinetry, quartz countertops and backsplash in the kitchen, upgraded granite countertops in all bathrooms, plank tile throughout the main spaces, upgraded luxury carpet pad in the bedrooms, recessed lighting in the family room, additional lighting electrical pre-wired for your convenience, two-toned interior paint colors and an extended lanai. For more information, review the details below.